Hytech Didactic Basic RoboCell is an industrial robotic training cell without PLC. Mounted on a mobile structure made in mild steel, the cell is equipped with castor wheels as well as anti-vibration mounts for high-speed operations. Work surface made in aluminum extrusions is covered from all four sides with polycarbonate doors, providing maximum visibility. Robot in Hytech Didactic Basic RoboCell is an industrial 6-axis articulated robot with minimum reach of 550 mm and payload capacity of 4 kg, which is equipped with a pneumatically actuated gripper. Communication between robot controller with 16DI and DO and machine control panel is via Ethernet protocol. The cell is operated with a robot teach pendant. Machine tending table is equipped with pneumatic vise and pneumatic chuck, which are actuated by double-acting solenoid valves from robot controller. Assembly table is equipped with slide cylinders as well as pneumatic press cylinder. Cylinders are actuated by solenoid valves, which are controlled from robot controller. User can carry out assembly of bearings and shaft on the assembly station. Palletizing table is provided along with a conveyor. Jobs are loaded on the conveyor automatically with an autofeeder. Conveyor is provided with photosensors at both ends for automated palletizing applications. Vision sensing table equipped with a Cognex vision sensor can sort jobs based on their shapes and sizes. User can sort the jobs kept in the focal plane of the vision camera automatically. Vacuum-based gripper is provided which can lift jobs of different shapes and sizes.